the best hair products for your hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a lot of my own products because I'm not only thankful for all of you or whoever purchases my products, but I've made so many changes and updates and tweaks that I just want to bring you up to date on the products and what are going to be best really for your hair type. So if you don't know, if you've never seen me before, I'm not just some random bald guy. I have been a hairstylist for over 25 years. I've worked for major companies in the beauty industry. I've worked on thousands and thousands of clients, educated thousands of stylists, and that's where I became the salon guy probably over 12 years ago now. I've been on YouTube over 12 years, and now I have my own products, which I've had for a long time, and every day I'm working hard to whether update them, improve some of them, and eliminate some of them. We've made a lot of changes over the last year or so. So what are the best products for your hair? What are the best tools even for your hair? And I have a full range of tools as well. Let's start with tools. So I've just updated and upgraded the Ionic blow dryer, where now you've got magnetic attachments, which is amazing. So you can put it right on, you can turn the nozzle however you want. I personally like to blow dry with the nozzle like this. I know a lot of people like this, but now you can move it and turn it however you want. It also comes with a diffuser, which is really helpful for everybody with curly hair, wavy hair. So it comes with these. So this is a great blow dryer because not only is it compact, you can also fold it like this for traveling, so it's really, really convenient. It does have the Ionic technology in it, so it's actually conditioning your hair as you're blow drying it. It's gentle on the hair. It's got a few different settings on it, all in one. Makes life so much easier, and I couldn't be happier with this. So the blow dryer is a definite must. It's available on the website right now. Next is brushes. Brushes. These are brushes that I use every single day. So again, the technology that went into these brushes, which are my own customized brushes right now, ceramic and ionic. And this is the anti-static vent brush, which is a must-have for anyone who's got longer hair, shorter hair, you've got knots in your hair. A vent brush is ideal for blow drying your hair and even, again, brushing through it, whether it's kids or yourself. It has a rubber handle, so you get a lot of grip, which means a lot of control. And yes, it's anti-static, so when you're brushing your hair, you're not gonna get loads and loads of flyaways. So the brush is essential. And then we've got the famous, this is the 2-inch, this is this, we call the TikToker hairbrush. So it's great for those flips. And this is the same technology in this brush, it's just slightly larger. So I'm using this more on longer hair types, on women's hair, on layers, things like that. But usually it's for hair that's a bit longer. So you've got these two brushes in through here and then the vent brush. As a stylist, these are tools that I'm literally using on a regular basis. All right, so next let's go into the shampoo category or conditioner category, because I get a lot of people asking me like, you know, salon guy, what's the biggest difference between like pure or hemp and volume? So we've got, you know, the famous pure set right here, which is the shampoo and also the conditioner. We've got the hemp set and the volume set. Obviously these are just one of the products, but they do come in a set with shampoo and conditioner. So volume, plain and simple. It's designed to give your hair a lot of volume, and it's got really, really good ingredients in it, organic ingredients, great extracts. It's gonna condition your hair and add volume to your hair. And yes, it's color safe, sulfate free, cruelty free. All these products are. So that's what's incredible about the volume shampoo. Next is the hemp shampoo. So we decided to create a hemp product because hemp is very, very healing. And I've had a lot of feedback from people who have, dry scalp, dandruff, have some serious scalp issues, that this has completely helped get rid of those issues because hemp is such a healing ingredient, right? It's a great oil. It's used for many, many things, but we decided to create a hemp shampoo and conditioner. So it's great for your scalp. It also helps promote thicker and healthier hair growth as well. So that's where the hemp comes in. And then the Pure set, it's again designed to help promote healthier hair growth. It does have the peppermint, which helps block DHT, so it's great for helping fight hair loss. And again, it stimulates the scalp to promote healthier and thicker hair growth. And it's a classic. You know, the shampoo and conditioner, it's good for everyday use. Again, it is color safe, sulfate free, very, very conditioning for your hair. It's definitely a classic shampoo and conditioner. You know, yes, it does have great properties and it's good for the scalp. But if you are looking for more healing, you've got scalp issues, that's where this comes into play. And that's it as far as the shampoo range goes. Next, let's go into pre-stylers. So we've got the famous 25 spray. It's named 25 spray because it has 25 benefits in it. So it's like essential first thing you spray into your hair when you get out of the shower, you towel blot it, and this is the first thing. It's like the sunscreen, like if you're going out to the beach. Spray this into your hair, 4, 5, 6 spritzes, whatever, comb it through, get those knots out, and then go into applying your next products, which could be Tidal Wave, our #1 selling product. This literally is the most incredible sea salt spray. It smells like heaven, it smells like the beach, very, very pleasant, inviting fragrance, gives you great volume, great texture. It's just the amount of sea salt. Awesome for, again, the TikTok hairstyle or any hairstyle that you want some texture, you want some volume, and you want a little bit of that grit. That's where this comes in. It's not heavy and super chalky and cakey in the hair. It's really just the right amount. So we've got that. Then we've got the Crafted Blow Dry Cream, which is really, truly an amazing blow dry cream. I mean, it's great for leave-in. It's great for, you know, if you want to use something to support the blow dry, which I use a lot when I'm blow drying hair, like with a round brush. I'll, you know, make a few pumps of this in my hand, put it into the hair, blow dry, and it's helping me lock in that style. So the blow dry cream is awesome, but again, it's great for a leave-in styling cream as well. Next, we've got the reformulated and updated Power Cream, which was a huge product that I kind of took off the shelf and I wanted to have it reformulated under the Crafted line, and that's what this is. It's ideal for people who've got super curly, super wavy hair, somebody who wants extreme hold, they want to put it in, control the hair, and have great hold to it. That's where this comes in. This is designed for people who've got that really coarse, thick, wiry, textured hair that want extreme hold. Apply this to your hair, you won't be disappointed. All right, next up, we've got Shadow, which is a good cross between like the Crafted Styling Cream and the Power Cream. It's not nearly as much hold, but again, it's good for control, and I call it a grit pomade because it does feel a little bit more like a pomade slash cream. It's gonna add slight shine to your hair, not a whole lot, very natural type of shine, but it's good for controlling the hair and leaving the hair with a bit more of a, again, a controlled feel. So if you've got a lot of flyaways, your hair's, you know, you want something to kind of weigh your hair down a little bit and not make it so poofy, that's where Shadow comes into play. All right, next up, we've got the Styler's Talc. It's a powder. It's great for if you've got fine hair, it's gonna help, you can dab on talc. It also works well second day, third day, you don't wanna wash your hair, do a couple of dabs of this, work it through the scalp area, and it's gonna soak up a lot of those oils, so this has to be used on dry hair. It's a great product. Next, we've got the Crafted line. So I've got the Sea Salt Styling Paste, which is an incredible paste because it's designed to give not only great volume and great texture, but it's also good for people with fine hair because the sea salt helps kind of bring the hair together and binds the hairs together, and sea salt is great for adding volume and texture. So the Sea Salt Styling Paste is incredible. Then we've got the regular Crafted Matte Paste. It's a bit more of a stronger type of hold, matte finish. Great products right here in the Crafted lineup. Next, we have the newly reformulated, updated, new packaging. We've got the 3 styling tins, which were the original yellow styling tins, like the wax hair paste, the grooming clay, the grooming paste. They have all been finalized, redone, repackaged, all to match this. So we've got Pregame. So Pregame, to me, this is the original Pregame, just reformulated, made better, a lot creamier and easy to apply to the hair, and it's incredible. Still has the same properties where over time it changes shape, gives your hair a lot more volume, it expands, so you've got kind of two products in one. That's what Pregame was originally designed for, to be kind of a two-in-one, which it is. I think the fragrance is a lot cleaner and a lot better. Next, we've got Success Paste, which I say, you know what, color green, think money, success, but you want to feel good, you want to have that confidence. This is a great grooming paste. So it goes in the hair very easily. It's a very light to medium holding product, and it's great for grooming, right? You want something that's just going to make the hair feel like there's a little product in the hair, something to control your hair. You like to scoop, you like to work that workability. That's where this comes in. Again, a great fragrance, and it's very clean and fresh. Lastly, we've got Clutch, which is the cream hair clay. Now, I know a lot of you are like, oh, I like the original Clutch or the Clutch XL, and the problem is there were some issues with the products, drying out. There were some inconsistencies. It was a bit too waxy for some people, so I literally took Clutch XL, and had that reformulated, kind of combined into one. I said I want a lot easier application, and that's for the cream hair clay. So is it as strong as Clutch XL? Not fully, but is it a lot easier to apply to the hair? Yes. Does it still have the same hold as Clutch? Yes. Does it smell better? I love the scent of Clutch and XL, but this to me is a lot warmer and more sophisticated. And that's what this is. It's a cream hair clay. It literally goes in the hair like butter. It's great for fine hair. Again, if you work it through all the way, you'll get that kind of more clay type of texture up front. But if you just take a scoop out, lightly work through your hands, it's very easy to run through the hair. So that's that. And lastly, the updated Locked, okay? We decided to go with new packaging. You're getting more product in this, and now it's got better ingredients, so more protection on your hair. It's good for, it's got UV protection, so if you're going out in the sun, it's actually gonna help protect your hair as well. It's still got that nice matte type of texture. It's a very fine mist when it's applied to the hair, and you're getting a bit more hold, which I really wanted, because the original Locked was great, but I felt like for that TikToker hairstyle, or just people in general, they want a little more hold, and that's where this comes in. It's not like your hair's not going to feel very stiff. It's not going to flake up or anything. You can literally rework this throughout the day and still have that volume. But this is the updated and upgraded Locked hairspray. It's good for all hair types, and I think as of right now, I'm probably missing something, but who knows? And if you are interested in purchasing any of these products, we do have an exclusive discount code, which you all keep using, but it's YouTube20. That's YouTube20. You get 20% off your order, and it's free shipping in the United States on orders of a value of over $50. So